Somebody once emailed me, when I go to the moon, or if someone goes to the moon, how will we perform wudu? Like if we don't have water, can we do tayammum? Somebody really asked me this question. That is it permissible to perform tayammum on the moon? Because the Quran says, so Quran says, فَتَيَمَّمُوا صَعِيدًا طَيِّبًا, like make tayammum through pure land. And this is why earth, in the books of fiqh, tayammum has to be done with earthly objects like sand and brick and dust, etc. Soil. So the person said the moon is not earth. So basically he's trying to ask a question, if I go to the moon, can I do tayammum? I said, wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brother, inshallah, when you reach the moon, then just email me from there. Wa alaikum salam. And Allah knows best. Just wait. When you get to the moon, then just email me. If I'm alive, if I'm not alive, then just email someone else from there. Earth, moon calling. Alhamdulillah.